In this video, we're going to reveal the potential upcoming Cardano shortage and the expected ADA market rates, so make sure to stay tuned until the end. Welcome to Cardano News. If you want to win 250 free ADA, see the comment section below and join our giveaway. For cryptocurrency enthusiasts, the Cardano blockchain network has been one of the most sought-after platforms. Cardano has reached another milestone with more than 20 million transactions completed since its introduction. While others like Solana have struggled, the Cardano blockchain has retained its reputation for offering consistent performance. Over the previous few months, the Cardano blockchain has undergone significant changes. Cardano just passed through the Alonzo hard fork, which added smart contract capability to the platform. This has also aided Cardano's entry into the burgeoning sectors of decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens. Moreover, Cardano is currently staked to the extent of more than 70%. Investors don't seem willing to sell it, signaling that a shortage is actually on the way. In recent months, the value of Cardano's shareholding has surged. According to Wallet Investor Analysis, the price of ADA is expected to sort of double in the next 12 months, implying that new highs and records will be set in the crypto world. Another sign of Cardano's scarcity, essentially, is that it has risen to the top of the cryptocurrency rankings, even ranking in the top 5 according to Forbes. This is a generally strong indication that people are enthusiastic about Cardano investments. When it comes to the sort of general statistics in the Cardano market, the number of Cardano delegators has skyrocketed. Thousands of individuals specifically have purchased it, and analysts predict a further increase in the coming months. However, we must not essentially overlook other currencies such as Ethereum, which are also outperforming predictions. When comparing Ethereum to Cardano, we can observe that consumers prefer Cardano since it is a lot quicker and cheaper charging network these days. In addition, Cardano developers have formed a collaboration with Chainlink in addition to introducing Alonzo. Cardano contracts would be able to connect their network's execution to real-world data, definitely letting them connect with consumer transactions and other economic indicators. With all of these new features and a well-organized architecture, it is no wonder that most investors believe Cardano will become the most popular cryptocurrency shortly. But can we argue, however, that Cardano is the future of finance? Cardano's price is expected to rise 4.52% in September 2022, according to Wallet Investor. Moreover, Cardano's crypto market may soon witness a drastic financial shift, which might signal that Cardano could see a significant financial change. Cardano, much more than any other cryptocurrency, continues to flourish, and it doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon. Also, banks, financial institutions, and corporations are investing billions of dollars in the hopes of reaping some sort of long-term advantage. As a result, it should come as no surprise that Cardano scarcity will shortly occur in the near future. People essentially are becoming increasingly very interested in investing in equities using ADA. In fact, Cardano's price has risen since the beginning of 2021, and no one is considering selling it today, which is quite significant. And some investors have stated that they will not sell Cardano until it hits a price of $50. Another important factor to consider is that the more individuals that acquire the ADA token, the higher the price rises according to the laws of supply and demand. However, unlike typical commodities, an increase in price does not result in a fall in demand for the token, but rather an increase. This daily price increase, along with rising demand, will result in a severe scarcity of ADA tokens. Another reason people are staking Cardano is the 5% interest rate it shortly offers on the ADA token when investors stake it. People will be rewarded for storing their coins, and Cardano wallets are soon being used as savings accounts. So why would people not stack Cardano, especially when the interest is free? Before going into detail regarding the Cardano scarcity, the most important issue to consider is definitely why is the Cardano stacking rate so high? Will it be sold by investors and crypto professionals in the next few days? Cardano investors, or more especially those whose primary purpose is to make some sort of passive income through Cardano, have created a domino effect. Other investors are buying and stacking Cardano in the same way that you are. This is very much since in crypto, a currency's popularity isn't as important as its use and earning potential. Therefore, Cardano in particular is particularly fortunate and as such can mostly outperform even Ethereum. The topic continues to come up at this point. Should we stop layering on more Cardano and sell it? As we all know, Cardano purchases have skyrocketed recently, but it's critical to understand both the benefits and drawbacks of cryptocurrency before investing. So why is Cardano selling short? What's more, why isn't it being sold? The first reason is that the volume of ADA trading will fluctuate. You may have heard that ADA trade volumes have increased in recent months, and it's getting higher every day. ADA in particular has climbed by over 1,000% since the beginning of the year. In fact, Cardano's popularity among investors has skyrocketed, making it one of the most important cryptocurrencies to consider. And the second reason is that crypto users' maintenance and customer support have improved. Cardano has released a new online application that guides users through the new smart contract capabilities and makes them easier to use. When we generally talk about Cardano, the most recent news that springs to mind are the cryptocurrency's record-breaking all-time high. Cardano's value has increased by over 1,000% in less than a year, prompting many investors to acquire the currency in bulk and stake it. People are hesitant to sell it until it reaches a new price that satisfies their needs. Importantly, the ADA Basic token has the strongest momentum and most significant increases in today's trading market. According to CoinGecko, Cardano essentially has a market value of roughly $50 billion, making it the sixth biggest cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's price has increased by 54%, Ethereum's by 62%, while Cardano's popularity has increased by 126% across the world. What exactly does this imply? People in general are more interested in investing in Cardano than in Bitcoin or Ethereum. They're buying Cardano and staking it while they wait for Cardano to arrive. So why would I be surprised if there is a Cardano shortage? If we're talking about Cardano's price projection, we're talking now. It changes with time. This is because the currency does not sell immediately when it enters circulation. It is sold throughout the year. The same is true for Cardano ADA, whose value is determined by a variety of variables, including investor sentiment over whether or not to sell their currency. Many people who do not want to sell their cryptocurrencies utilize them for a variety of purposes, including online transactions and purchases. They do so probably because they are fully aware of Cardano's future potential. Cardano, as we all know, is essentially a particularly green currency that individuals can use to buy things online and pay for other services. Overall, Cardano has been successful in capturing the title of best performing cryptocurrency in recent months, and its price has risen dramatically. Different experts forecast different price ranges, but to give you an idea, Cardano's price has climbed 16% in the last year, equating to 1.85 per coin right now. There are no final wordings on how much it will fluctuate in the coming days, but experts specifically believe Cardano investors will have a bright future. If you haven't yet invested in Cardano, the first thing that springs to mind, particularly if it's too late to do so, is that understanding how cryptocurrencies function is the key to answering this question. In simple terms, there is a maximum supply of coins in crypto, which implies there is a limit beyond which no coins may be produced or sold on the market. In the case of Cardano, there are presently 45 billion ADA tokens available at the maximum, with 32 billion already issued according to CoinGecko. If the crypto has a scarcity, it may be able to influence its price. As previously said, the demand for a cryptocurrency determines its price. A higher number of purchasers will be attracted to a currency in high demand. The fascinating thing about ADA in particular is that it is staked at 74% of Cardano, and the number of delegates has been continuously increasing over the last few months. If the price of the token is expected to climb in the future, as most financial research predicts, you should be prepared for scarcity. Since most investors like you are unlikely to sell a single coin from their Cardano wallet, they particularly expect long-term financial security from their Cardano investment and are mostly ready to wait for months, if not years, to come. As a result, if you don't get in on the ADA trade now, the token price of ADA will probably never be as affordable as today again. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.